Once upon a doodle.
Hello. Today we're going to draw Kuromi, one of the funniest and most mischievous characters from the Hello Kitty series. Get your paper and your favorite colors ready, and have fun with me while we create this beautiful drawing together. Follow me. Okay, let's start. I will start by drawing with a fiber, but you can do it with a pencil if you wish. We will start by drawing Kuromi's face. For this, we draw her nose and her eyes with well-arched eyelashes. Now we will draw the mouth and one of his hands near it. Once this is done, we mark the outline of the face. Next, we will draw the jester's hood with the skull on. We continue drawing the lower part of the jester's hood with all its details. And when we finish this, we'll move on to drawing Kuromi's body. At the bottom of the body, we draw the legs and feet. If you like the video, subscribe and press like. Now we draw his arms and some small leaves and skulls in his hand. To finish drawing Kuromi, all that's left is to draw her tail. Let's go! Now that Kuromi is ready, we'll draw a large star where she'll stand, and around it we'll draw many other smaller stars. If you like Kuromi, like this video. Very well. Now we will move on to highlighting the drawing with a fiber of a greater thickness. Hey, stop being so mean, Kuromi, and put the drawing back the way it was. Now yes, let's highlight. Okay, we'll just outline Kuromi, just like I'm doing. Did you know that Kuromi is a character from the Hello Kitty series? And that according to the creator. Kuromi is a rabbit, not a cat. Her design includes bunny ears, and her double-legged tail adds to her rebellious and mischievous image. Already highlighted? We'll start by painting his eyes and jester's hood black. We will also paint the tail black. The skull on the jester's hood and the circular details on the bottom will be fuchsia. The little leaves and skulls that he holds in one of his hands will be green, burgundy, and the little eyes will be black. The base of the large star and 3 other smaller stars will be purple. Three more small stars will be violet, and 3 more will be pink. Since we have 1 more star left to paint, we'll paint it purple as well. Finally, we paint the outline of the base of the large star black. And that's it. And that's all, little artist. I hope you enjoyed drawing Kuromi as much as I did. If you enjoyed the tutorial, give me a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more artistic adventures. See you in the next video. Keep creating and having fun. See you soon. Ciao.